Every time someone sends money across borders and waits 3 days for it to arrive, I'm reminded of how broken traditional payment rails really are. After 2 decades working with financial technology and, more recently, deep in the Stellar ecosystem, I've become convinced that stablecoins are not a passing trend, they are the quiet infrastructure revolution reshaping how value moves globally. Let me share why Stellar, in particular, has earned my attention as a platform for stablecoins like USDC and Brazilian real-backed tokens. Why Stellar is built for stablecoin. Stellar was designed from the ground up for one purpose: moving money efficiently. Unlike general-purpose blockchains that treat payments as an afterthought, Stellar's architecture prioritizes low cost and speed. A transaction settles in 3 to 5 seconds and costs a fraction of a cent, roughly 0.00001 XLM per operation. This matters enormously at scale. Consider USDC on Stellar, issued by Circle since 2021. It benefits from Stellar's built-in decentralized exchange, SDX, and path payments, which allow a user to send USDC and have the recipient receive a different asset automatically, all in a single atomic transaction. In my consulting work, I've seen how this eliminates the multi-hop complexity that plagues correspondent banking. The numbers back this up. Stellar regularly processes millions of operations daily while maintaining sub-cent fees, making micropayments economically viable in ways Ethereum's variable gas costs never could. The BRL opportunity in Latin America. Brazil is one of the most fascinating markets for stablecoin adoption. With PIX, the central bank's instant payment system, Brazilians already expect money to move in seconds. This cultural expectation makes the transition to blockchain-based payments remarkably natural. BRL-pegged stablecoins on Stellar, such as those issued through anchors and platforms like Mykobo or regional fintechs, bridge the gap between local currency and global digital value. A worker in São Paulo can hold BRL as a tokenized asset, convert to USDC for savings protection against currency volatility, and send funds to family abroad, all without touching a traditional bank. The real-world impact is concrete. Cross-border remittances to Latin America exceeded $150 billion in 2023, and traditional providers charge 5 to 7% in fees. Stablecoin rails on Stellar can reduce that to under 1%, returning billions to the people who need it most.